Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you guys how to make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I am back. Today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an extra crispy mustard fried pork chop sandwich in my butterball electric turkey fryer. Alright? So guys, let me go ahead and move this out the way. It's heavy too. It ain't heavy. Now, before I do that, let me show you how big this bag is. This cook up to 22 pounds of turkey in here, okay? And as you can see, this is pretty deep. Let me see if I can bend this down for you guys. See how deep that is? Alright, so I had some old grease in there. I had to wash it out and all that extra stuff. And let me make sure ain't nothing up in here. Now when you cook in here with new grease, you want to put a little old grease in it just to give it some flavor, but you don't have to. This thing takes at least 3 of these. This is a gallon. It takes like 3 gallons. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in there. And this probably get me halfway. But this is all I need for this. This will last about good, about 6 months. If I can get over this way so it won't splash. And the only reason I'm doing this now because I got to heat this up. Alright, that's one. And this is peanut oil. Like I told you guys, you can use whatever type of oil you want to make sure to cook at a high temperature, okay? But this is peanut oil right here that I'm using. Put this other one in here. But I wouldn't mind having some lard. That's that old school cooking. See, a lot of people don't do that no more. I'm going to cook one day for you guys in some lard. That's what they call good fat. They used to tell us it was bad fat, but it's not. It's good fat. It's come from animals. Okay? So I have the pork chops right here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pork chops in here. And they got the bones in it. Alright. Now, this hot sauce I'm not going to put on. Normally I mix them and put it on there, but I'm going to put the mustard on it. That's why I said extra crispy mustard fried. And if you look at this, this is Heinz mustard. Okay? It's not French's. I ain't telling you not to use it. French's is good, a good mustard too. Heinz just as good. Or any kind of mustard you got would be great. Trust me, I got French's as well, right here. Alright, so I use any type of mustard. It doesn't matter. It's how you season your food to me. But, you know, that's my opinion. So anyway, here's some black pepper. I got some Old Bay seasoning right here. And I got some complete seasoning. That's all the seasoning we're going to be using. Alright, in this bag right here, I have a half a cup of cornstarch and 2 cups and a half of self-rising flour. Okay? Self-rising. Okay, not all-purpose, but self-rising. You can use all-purpose, but you might want to put your little baking powder and a little starch up in there. Alright? Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and wash this up and show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I washed my meat off very thoroughly. Now I'm going to come in here with my seasoning. Try complete. Should be like a tablespoon per side, or much as you want. This is not salty at all, guys. Okay, that's that. Cover our black pepper. And yes, I got food. I told you it was 6 pieces and there's 8, more like 8. Okay, then we come with this Old Bay seasoning. And the only reason I'm not putting salt on this because the mustard has some sodium in it, and then you got to remember pork chop have salt in it. And then, you know, I'm going to put a little hot sauce on mine, so I don't want it over salty. So this is how you keep down on your blood pressure, guys. For anybody out there that have it. You want to pat this down a little bit. What we call finessing the meat, flesh of a pig. Flip it over and repeat the same process. Like that. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna smack down on this. Like rub all the seasoning in there. We're gonna put our mustard on here, and then we're just gonna let it marinate for about a good hour, guys. Okay? So here's my mustard. Put a little bit right here. Like so. Rub that in there. Like that. If you want to, you can take the other side like this. Flip it around on there. This piece, we just put that one in the bowl because we're going to marinate it. Put that in the bowl. Talking about something good. How many of you guys out there remember pork chop sandwich? Fried pork chop sandwich. Comment down below and let me know. But you know, back in the days, we didn't use the bun, we used like regular bread. And talking about something good. Oh my goodness. Something good. Oh my God. From this side. I remember as a kid, I used to like when when my mom used to make pork chops and with the side dishes. I used to always make a sandwich out of mine. So if you guys remember that, let me know that also. Side right here. See that one done? I have to do these sides right here. And this mustard is going to tenderize this pork chop and bring out tons of flavor. Alright. See how that look, guys? We're going to put these bad boys in the refrigerator, cover it up, and let it marinate for about a good hour. And I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. I can't slap my hand because the mustard going to go all over. So yeah, guys, in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Just going to go ahead and put this basket down up in here. Now, remember when I told you about the flavor? That's right. Comment down below if you guys do this also. This is what we normally do on the outside But I need my grease to have some flavor to it, so I'm gonna throw me some onions in there, like a whole onion. Put it over there to the side somewhere. Yeah, I want to know if you guys do this also. It's an old school remedy. We're just gonna go ahead and let me check on this. Alright, it'll be about well when I get through shaking up this. I normally take one at a time. I'm not really worried about the bag too much, so I'm just going in the garbage. Let me show you guys what this onion looking like up in here. Okay, so that's what that's looking like. And all it does is flavor your grease. Okay? Let me set this back up right here. I'm just going to take the pork chop. Make sure they're well covered. You just want to drop them in nice and slow. Just like that. Take off the excess. That's all I'm gonna do for right now. That should take no more than probably about 15 minutes, not even 15 minutes. I'd say about a good 10 minutes at the most. And I'll show you guys how they look when they get done, okay? In a minute. Okay guys, I am back. There it is. Extra crispy, mustard fried pork chop. Oh yeah, that's what's up right there. And I'm putting some hot sauce on mine. So this is how they turn out. You know, they're a little small or whatever. It shrinks up. I'm gonna put a little hot sauce on mine, guys. Just a little dabble. That's right. That's it. So you guys like this video? Hold on, before I even get into all that. Don't forget guys, I'm almost at 2K and I'm going to be giving away first, second, or third winners. Okay? So please go watch them videos and answer them questionnaires. Alright? Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And that's right. Hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen in a minute.